First, you maybe want to put the jack there, so in case the floor jack gives up, the stand can save it.
Is this high enough?
Mm-hmm. Nah, just right. You can do it from up here.
The jack?
The floor jack. A hot mid weekday. I think it's like 99 still at 8 p.m. We're gonna lower Jason's car. But first, step one, remove your wheel. Step two, take that off, take this off, and loosen that off, and remove the brake line clip. Ethan's already got the sway bar unlink, and well, dang near everything. We just gotta get the brake line off and the speed sensor line off, and take these 3 bolts out. That's our thing.
Too easy.
It just drops and it's too easy, right?
Too easy.
Hold it. Lay into it. There you go. Oh! And then, yeah, just take those out.
Where's that little thing? I left my mallet in there, bro.
Just hit it on the other side.
Like that?
Yep.
Nice. Oh my god. That's sorry. Is that for me? Sorry. Holding it?
Yeah. See? It's easy, right? Second one down. This after the fact. The new body style GR86, not the old 86, but the GR86 has different bolts, offset bolts. This one's a little bit thicker, and I think this one's a little bit skinnier, or vice versa. But they have to go in a certain way. Just make sure to keep a note of that, or else you're not gonna have a fun time. You're gonna get angry trying to put this on. But it looked good. Now that everything's put back on, got the top bolts on, now you just run everything back. 2 bolts here, one here. The brake line bolt, your speed lines, and sway bar and link. Jason's going to get some new lugs for them wheels. Me and Ethan got everything tightened up. He's got everything tightened up on his side. I've just got to tighten up these bolts. If we didn't have to teach Jason, y'all wouldn't have this video. So, thank you, Jason. See, what I find funny is you said no more stance car, but
hell yeah.
But there's like an inch of like wood holding it up so we get that floor jack out. Woo! Bro, you're gonna be scraping aping.
But right now, because it's not easy. Alright,
Hey, dude, you got the rears off.
No, I'm right here. Yeah, it's not here. Just 2 in case it's spinning.
Jason, you want to walk us through? Yeah, you got this. You take the bottom bolt, that one right there.
All of them?
Not all of them. So just you see how it's free spinning now?
Yeah. Oh,
you need the wrench now. You put the wrench on the back side.
What size is 17? This side.
That side.
All right. We can see you in the next couple seconds.
Now. Just gotta push this out. Good. The mallet.
Can I get the mallet? Huh? You're good. Can I get the mallet? Oh, yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. Huh? Oh, nice. Okay. Get in the way. Okay, now what?
Oh, you got Jason, you got this?
Where is it? Did I get it? No?
It's like
finding the
finding Nemo.
clitoris. Oh, sorry. Is it on?
I don't think you're on.
There you go.
You're not.
Oh.
See, it's that easy. You just take the old one out, put the new one in, and then get 4 people standing on this so it can come out, right, Ethan?
Yep. Can you put it in now and die?
Yeah, I'm sorry. Then you just come over here. You just. Yes, our.
Hey, but who else got Graham lights?
Everybody.
Yeah.
Everybody, calm down.
Look, you know who game? Listen.
I'm a man of my word.
That's what happens when you get real wheels, bro.
RPF1s are lighter, you know that.
Hey, guess who else has RPF ones? This guy. Me, right over there. Okay, well, let's just run back. This episode's not about the hunt. The 17 socket or the wrench?
And wrench.
Okay. Here, get to me. Okay.
Thank you.
Go.
Where's the gun?
Oh, he's got the gun. I got the gun. The impact.
Hell yeah.
There you go, my guy.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yo, drop it.
She said she wished there was 2.
Here, Jason.
I told you.
What?
The wood.
Fucking muffler, bro. It's not even the frame, it's the muffler.
It's the. Yank it out. There's no other option. Yank it out. Oh. Hey now. This is what dreams are made of. Hey yo, what are you doing? Why you?
You know who I am?
Short, simple video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys like this video, please share, like, subscribe. Make sure you hit that follow button. Make sure to follow my boy Jason. GR Jason?
GR Jackson.
Hey, okay. Make sure to follow Ethan because he's got a, hey man, move. He's got a clean S2K. Oh, 2K is really clean. Hey, is it all authentic Voltex stuff?
Yep.
Voltex. Even Ethan, he's got Voltex tattooed on his butt. Just another teaser. Went through the garage and I found a bunch of vinyls. So will the Accord make a comeback? Stay tuned.